Folks, we got a real quick video for you here where basically we're just going to compare the sound of the DJI factory propellers to these Master Airscrew Stealth low noise propellers. And so we have just one mic set up. It's about 10 feet away from us, and of course we have it set to manual right now. And obviously we'll keep the gain at the exact same level throughout the whole video. Now, I don't know if I'm going crazy or what, but I think I've noticed that the propellers on this DJI are getting louder and louder as they age. So I ended up getting 2 sets of these Stealth blades, actually. Each pack comes with a full set, 4 blades in them. And to be honest, I really wasn't expecting, I guess, this much of a difference. Well, if this video doesn't clearly demonstrate the differences between the DJI factory blades and the Stealth blades, then I don't know what else would. This video is actually kind of cool, eh? Are you talking about the whole split screen gimmick? It's kind of high school, huh? Oh bro, you're killing me. I just don't know how you're going to edit it because of the timing between you and Zachary. Yeah, that's a good point. It's probably going to be pretty tough. Well, do you think we should try and show some slow-mo? Yes, absolutely. The Stealth blades, they're not stealth by any means. You know, I had to change those blades on my drone anyway. They were getting old and frail and a little bit chipped up, so you know, if I wouldn't just go out and buy these if I didn't have to replace the other ones. But that's the video, folks. I want to thank my best friend over here. He's a real good guy. Looks like he put on a little bit of weight, but otherwise did pretty good in the video. Good job, buddy. And you can subscribe to my channel if you want or not, but I appreciate you watching this one. So take care.